Life is full of choices, sometimes more difficult than we thought. It doesn't matter whether you are just starting your journey or still searching for your direction. Klaipėda Ernestas Galvanauskas Vocational Training Center, a place where tomorrow's creators are born.
Centro sėkmės formulė – sutelkta ir stipri bendruomenė. Inovatyvus mokymosi procesas orientuotas į ateities darbo rinką, o mokymosi aplinką kuriame kartu su visuomenės transformacijomis, siekiant pažangos ir progreso.
There is a connection between knowledge, technology and practice, where businesses and education go hand in hand to shape the leaders of sustainable future. Thanks to strong partnerships with businesses and market leaders, theory merges with practice, business expertise and academic knowledge together form the foundation of practical skills that are valued both in Lithuania and internationally. With more than 30 modern professions taught in contemporary learning spaces and technology-equipped laboratories, the center opens opportunities to learn in ways that meet the challenges of green transformation, the circular economy, and digitalization, all the time working with advanced digital tools. Construction and business professions. Future furniture makers, finishers and computer-aided design operators learn by applying modern digital tools, design technologies, and using artificial intelligence and innovative production methods that allow theoretical knowledge to be immediately transformed into practical skills. Healthcare Service Department, a path to a meaningful profession. Here, several areas are covered. Initial vocational training, training for students with special educational needs, and professional rehabilitation. Anyone wishing to have a future in medicine can choose in-demand professions such as therapeutic massage specialist, nursing assistant, or paramedic. The gymnasium department at the center is a space where young people confidently shape their vision of the future. After successfully obtaining their secondary school diplomas, our students continue to aim high in their studies, careers, and lives. The Continuing Education Department offers flexible and accessible learning methods that allow you to conveniently combine studies with work or professional life. It is an opportunity for adults to gain a new qualification, improve existing skills, or retrain according to the needs of the modern labor market. Adults can choose from more than 20 in-demand specialisms, such as hairdressers, electricians, welders, nursing assistants, social worker assistants, and many others. Logistics and transport, the driving force of the economy. The Transport Department prepares professionals for the dynamic sector, from motor vehicle drivers to freight forwarders. Training takes place at the only autodrome in Western Lithuania, where practical skills are developed under real conditions. Training also includes all driving license categories, as well as Code 95 and ADR certifications, forklift and loading crane operator training. Kretinga branch, a place for both gymnasium students and young workers from the age of 16, as well as adults who wish to obtain basic or secondary education. Classes are conducted both remotely and in person. By choosing modern professions of value to the future labor market, students can train to become natural cosmetics producers, chefs, mechatronics technicians for automatic systems, or landscapers. The center also offers opportunities for students from other gymnasiums and middle schools to study professional modules. This allows students to combine practical skills with education and prepare for a future career. Students actively create positive change around them through volunteering, participating in community initiatives and meaningful activities. They learn not only a profession, but also the values that textbooks do not teach: responsibility, care, engagement. Modern education is not just about theoretical knowledge, it's a holistic approach to personal transformation. It's a learning environment where everyone can be seen and valued, where the entire community operates as equal partners on a shared journey of growth. Everything starts with inner balance and well-being, strengthened through physical activity and mindfulness in the newly built sports stadium and the Kretinga branch sports hall. Spaces that foster not only knowledge, but also physical and emotional health. To ensure comfortable and high-quality learning, the center offers students the opportunity to live in a modern, warm and inviting dormitory just steps away from the school. This convenient location and comfortable environment are designed to balance study and rest. Each year, over 2,500 young people and adults participate in formal training at the center, and more than 6,000 clients take part in non-formal adult education programs. Different personalities, different paths. But they are all united by one goal: a solid foundation for the future. Today, vocational training is not a compromise, it is a choice. A choice to learn, grow, gain real competencies, and become a highly valued professional in the labor market. Learn, grow, and work at Klaipėda Ernestas Galvanauskas Vocational Training Center.